Hello everyone. Happy September 19th. Today we celebrate Talk Like a Pirate fun, butterscotch bliss, and the joy of kindness. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's International Talk Like a Pirate Day. A playful excuse to embrace swashbuckling silliness. A great gift could be a pirate-themed costume kit, a treasure hunt game, or a novelty mug with pirate slang. What's your best pirate phrase? Let's sail into the comments. Next, it's National Butterscotch Pudding Day. A creamy golden treat that's pure comfort. A sweet gift could be a pudding-making set, a butterscotch dessert sampler, or a vintage dessert recipe card. Do you prefer it warm or chilled? Let's stir up some dessert talk below. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends. They'll thank you later. And finally, it's National Woman Road Warrior Day. Honoring women who travel for work, adventure, and independence. A thoughtful gift could be a travel organizer set, a stylish neck pillow, or a journal for road reflections. Who's a woman road warrior you admire? Let's celebrate her in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for October 21st to 25th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching everyone, more celebrations are coming tomorrow, stay awesome.